Okay, y'all. Happy Mother's Day. I'm back again with another vlog. We haven't vlogged in a while. We ready to go get something to eat at Original Pancake House. We got the whole family with us. Where are the kids? Yep. So, we stopping at the gas station real quick. Gas is so expensive. Yeah, I'm carrying my purse. It ain't even in the frame. And I bought this little keychain thing from Marshall's. It was on clearance for $3. I think it's kind of cute on there. What y'all think? Is it cute?
I like that.
You do? It's supposed to be a cat. It's by Rachel Zoe.
Yeah, I want one.
You always want. Why can't I just have? Huh? You always want.
You could have it.
I know. Then of course this doggone camera, I guess because we haven't vlogged in a while, which means I haven't used this GoPro in a long time, and it is acting up. I guess it just kind of reset itself back to like the default settings. So had to figure that out.
Default there.
Also, this wig that I am wearing, I got it from, this wig is from Rosa Beauty, and I actually got a video on it, and this wig is horrible. I think this is the worst wig I've ever bought, ever. One, it's too thin. Two, the frontal is probably about that big. Let me show y'all. Let me take this out. See, this hair is just horrible. See, the frontal only comes to here. Come on now. They know we need at least to here. Come on. Now, and then in the back is so thin. So thin. So this is actually just going to be like my hat wig. Anytime I wear it, I'm just going to wear a hat. Even though I do that a lot with my wigs. But with this one, is a must. I'm going to try to put this back on with one hand. Can I do it? And then Damani, I have a video on her hair. That's the wig that I made on the sewing machine. That's my first time ever doing it. It actually came out really good. It's a little big, but yeah, it's a little big. So I'm gonna have to fix it, but I think I broke the sewing machine, or either the belt is loose on it. I don't know, but I'm gonna have to try to figure out how to fix it because it just sounds like it's spinning. So I'm gonna have to do that because it was way easier, and I think it only took me like, because considering that was my first time doing it, it took me like maybe a total of 5 hours, because I was doing it after I got off work for a couple of hours. One day I didn't even work on it. So yeah, I most definitely will do that again. That one was, it was really, it wasn't easy to do, but the results was pretty good. What do you think, Damani?
What I think about the hair?
Yeah, the wig.
Got him out, nice.
Huh, yeah. Never mind.
The only thing.
That's why. Come on.
The only thing is like when you put that track like on the underside of it, it's rubbing against my neck. That's the only thing.
Far as the ear part.
Oh yeah, I just tucked my ears underneath the wig.
What?
Yeah. they are. Look.
See, that's because of. That's because I used that extra large cap. I think next time I'm just gonna try to find the right cap. Or if I do use the extra large, don't sew on that on the band. I'm not gonna sew on that band because it just makes the wig too big. But like I said, with this being my first time doing it, you know, I think it turned out pretty good. Yeah. So like I said, happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. It's your day. Damon, you want to say something?
Happy Mother's Day.
Oh, wait.
Happy Mother's Day.
Also, check out the new Fortnite Season 9.
What?
Okay. If you play Fortnite, Damon is saying check out Season 9 of Fortnite. I don't play it, so I don't know nothing about it. So we'll get back with y'all when we get to original pancakes. Also, I know I didn't say this yet in the video because I normally do. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave me some comments at the bottom. Yeah, do that. We here. And the wait is super long.
You would think that they would have drinks
Still, yeah, right over there, I'm assuming. Flavor water. Like I said, the wait is super long. We put our name in on this, yep, whatever. We put it in on that, which is my favorite app when you're looking for different places to eat. Love that app. But anyway, we still got about 45 minutes to wait. This place is super crowded, I'm sure. Super packed. But still gotta wait.
It's great.
Finally sitting down after, how long was the wait? About an hour? 40 minutes? About 30 minutes. We at Original Pancake House. Hopefully I'm in the frame.
How are you today? Good. Coffee for either of you?
What you get?
Coffee for you, ma'am?
Hope you gonna give him your pancakes that come with your omelet.
You have to tell me, Diamond. You just do it.
Any fresh squeezed over?
Oh man, camera almost dead.
Orange juice inside the water? Would you like to be done eating?
I forgot to turn this on, y'all, because we most definitely eating. But here we go. And this kid is going to town. He was starving, then Damon food. I'm sorry. I got the banana pancakes with the spinach feta omelet, what I always get. The money got French toast. They look good. Is it good? And Damon had strawberry pancakes, but he was so hungry. Ooh, he chomped that. God, I'm the only person that's not really eating because I was trying to get my shoes, my tennis shoes, and I placed the order online. Hopefully everything go right. So, yeah.
They been eating like we don't feed him.
Right. All right, y'all.
Eating like he ain't ate